Today I'm going to show you my 4-step makeup prep routine for healthy glowing skin. Hi there, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare, and today I'm going to walk you through my very quick 4-step makeup prep routine for glowing healthy skin. I'm going to start with putting my hair back because I like to make sure that hair's out of the way. Put it up and scrunch it up out of the way. So step 1, we're going to start with cleansing. So you want to make sure your skin is clean. I'm using the Daily Exfoliating Cleanser here. I like to have really clean skin before I put makeup on. Very important. Now, I like to have really clean skin before I put my makeup on, and I like using the Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. You can also use a moisturizing cleanser, but I like this one because I tend to have oily skin or enlarged pores. I find those little microbeads really help refine the skin, helps with that exfoliation, so then the skin is softer and smoother. So after cleansing, my next step is either one of two things. Depends on the day, right? I'm either going to do a blend of glycolic acid with my vitamin C. And the reason why I do that, I want the glycolic, like think about it. You want the pH acid mantle, then I'm going to put the vitamin C on. So they work really well together, but I'm going to get that exfoliation. My alternative is using beta hydroxy acid, my BHA, and then my vitamin C. The reason why I like doing this one is particularly like summertime for me, is because my pores tend to fill up really easily. And so when I use the beta hydroxy and then I do my vitamin C, my skin just stays cleaner during the day. Makeup goes on better. So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to put on beta hydroxy, just a couple of drops. Then I'm going to follow up with the vitamin C and Ferulic. This is going to be my antioxidant. And I love this one because it's moisturizing, it's giving some, because it's ethylated vitamin C, this is really great because think about now, you want to prep your skin before you put your makeup on. So you really want your skin to be clean. You don't want a buildup of gunk in the pores, okay? You want to be moisturized, so then your product can go on better, your makeup can go on better. And then finally what I use is I'm going to use our sunscreen. Now I like our sunscreen as my base. It does leave a bit of a, when you put it on at first, the white cast. I like it because now you know exactly where it's going. So my skin is protected. This is an amazing base. I don't need a primer. I don't need anything to level off my skin. Put my foundation on top of this and it's set for the entire day. I hope you enjoyed my 4-step makeup prep routine. I look forward to your comments and I hope to talk to you real soon. Have a great day.